everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Stephanie from Magnesium Media, and we are here today at Celebrity Cars in Las Vegas. And as you can see, we are surrounded by so many beautiful cars. But I'm curious, which car should we focus on today?
How about the Rolls-Royce Phantom?
I love the Rolls-Royce Phantom.
Ian Cameron just passed away. It could be a tribute to him.
He did? Okay, yeah. Hold on. Can we just take a quick moment for him?
Okay.
Okay, that's very sad to hear.
Right.
So why don't you elaborate on who exactly Ian Cameron was?
Well, first of all, Ian Cameron was just brutally murdered, for those that don't know, okay? And Ian Cameron was the head of Rolls-Royce design from 2003 to 2012. He actually designed the Phantom, he designed the Ghost, and he designed the drop head and drop head coupes.
So obviously he was a genius.
Well, yeah, and also he designed the BMW Z8 for any of those people that love Z8s like myself. So this obviously was his doing right here. And
so now BMW bought Rolls-Royce back in what year?
It was okay. What happened is in 1998, Rolls-Royce and Bentley were one company. They've been the same company for almost a century, and they had money problems. So what happened was that Volkswagen decided to go in and buy the company. But at that time, Rolls-Royce was getting all their engines from BMW. So when that happened, BMW was like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, if you're going to sell the company to Volkswagen, we're not going to supply you engines. So then what happened is there was a car company with no engines. So then the court stepped in, and what happened was Volkswagen ended up with Bentley, and BMW ended up with Rolls-Royce, and they needed they needed a factory because Volkswagen got to keep the factory that Rolls-Royce and Bentley were made in, and both companies now had to go build their own cars and from scratch. And that's when Ian Cameron came into play and had to design a car from scratch.
Now, my kudos to Ian Cameron because this is beautiful. One of my favorite things about Rolls-Royce,
the lamb's wool rugs,
the lamb's wool rugs, right?
Well, here's the thing about this car, okay? Like, a lot of people don't give it credit for what it is. I mean, obviously, everybody loves a Phantom. Everybody loves this. But the thing is, look at the sheer size of this.
This thing is actually bigger than my truck. Right?
What kind of truck do you drive every day?
I drive a Yukon Denali XL. And this is bigger. We
measured longer. It's by 5 inches longer.
Yeah, 5 inches longer.
Yep. Look at this thing.
I mean, this is...
So what they really did was, so I guess what happened is Ian went back and said, okay, the Phantom has been a nameplate that's been used multiple times through history, but the Phantom has always been a big car. So he built this car. It was like a homage to some of the older Rolls-Royces.
Well, see, I like that because I personally love older cars, well, more so than new cars. And when it comes to Rolls-Royce, hold on, let me get in here. When it comes to Rolls-Royce, the only word that you can really use above any other is luxurious.
You know, this car really pays. It mixes a lot of old world luxury with new world luxury.
What do you mean by that, old world to new world?
Okay, well, look at the car itself, right? I mean, look, you're sitting back in here, and it mixes a lot of new world luxury with old world. Like, look at the suicide doors. Before the Phantom came out in 2004, when was the last time you saw a car with suicide doors? Yeah,
I don't know.
Whatever, right? Look at this. So you have, remember in the old cars, if you look at the old Rolls Royces, you had a big chunk of wood. This is real wood.
Yeah, this is real wood.
This is not plastic. And it's, look at it takes up the whole thing. Look at the back seat. Look at it. Look how comfortable it is. It's like a sofa.
Yes, it absolutely is. You know what I think is really cool? This mirror back here, this is an opera mirror.
Oh yeah, right there.
Do you know why they call it an opera mirror?
Most people don't know.
No, they don't, but I'm asking you, do you know?
Yeah, because, okay, so back in the day, remember when people had carriages and horses and they were going to the opera?
Way back in the day.
Well, when you were born, right? And they used to go to the opera before getting out. They'd check themselves in the mirror and make sure they look good, you know? That's it. Yeah, you look fine. Okay,
yeah,
good.
Yeah,
so,
checking.
You know, when BMW bought Rolls-Royce and Ian was working on this, I think they really sat back and looked at all the older cars and said, how do we blend old world, what people loved, and new world? And they built a car, because the thing with Rolls-Royce is, in my opinion, it has to be, when you pull up in a Rolls-Royce, you don't have to tell anybody it's a Rolls-Royce.
No,
people
you don't.
Know. Like,
everybody knows.
Yeah, like, you know, look at this. I mean, like, this is in your face. When this thing pulls up, I mean, look at the size of this thing.
Look at on me, how big it is.
I mean, it is in your face. You look at any other car around here. This stands out. This is,
you can't deny that it stands out. Absolutely.
and that's what Rolls-Royce did, and they did it right, because leading up to this for 25 years, the Rolls-Royces were just like sedans with a grill on it. It looked like, you know, like right there, the S-Class. You know, it was like different. It was just a car with a grill. And now they come out, and this is a truck.
Let's take a moment to appreciate the size of this beast, okay? So, hold on. I'm 5'5" and a half.
Plus heels.
Look at my heels, okay? So, who's taller?
You are.
But I guarantee, hold on. Give me a second. Don't mind my socks. Who's taller now?
The Rolls.
Right? So the car is taller than me. Hold on, let me put this back on. Can't be limping around, right?
Why not? You do that anyway.
Well, I know, but I'm working.
Don't get your hair
now.
caught in your shoes.
I know. Okay. Whew.
Okay.
It's a little bit warm. Okay, so listen. Take a peek. You can see how roomy and everything it is. Okay. Look how much room. I could put my feet out straight, and I guarantee this isn't even back all the way.
Lots of boob room. I mean, sorry, leg room.
I don't think I need more boob room. I think this is good.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so hold on. Speaking of boobs, let's get in the back seat.
What's the boobs got to do with the back seat?
Because they could be flopping around back here.
Explain that one to me.
Okay.
Okay.
Because look how much room there is.
Oh, are you getting like...
You could totally get freaky.
Groovy, baby.
Fly everywhere back here. What are you, Austin Powers?
Oh, no, I wish I was, though, because he's shagged everywhere.
Well, that explains a lot if you think about that. The generation that he would have had would have been a lot of people.
They had some big cars back then.
That explains a lot. Yeah, they did.
Yep, big Rolls Royces, right? And I think this Rolls Royce pays tribute to a lot of those other big Rolls Royces.
I think it does, but you know what? You're saying big, and you know what that means? What I have to check out?
What?
What do I have to check out?
The trunk.
The trunk, baby.
You're going to climb in the trunk?
Hold on. Of course. Of course I'm going to climb in the trunk. I have to slide out of here first.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you? Yeah, there you go. It takes you, it's a mile to get out of the car.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Okay.
That wasn't there a song? I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
And doing it and doing it well.
Okay.
Okay. I don't have my glasses on. Which is the trunk button? Help me.
Right there. There you go.
Totally have a party in there.
Really? Let's see. Let's hold on. Hold on. Look at that.
Hold on.
That's a nice boot.
Hold on. There's a boot. We're
yeah,
in
but
America.
you know, British people.
I know, but we are in America.
America.
America. Okay. How cool would it be? Oh my gosh. How cool would it be if this was like a secret time machine and I could go back in time and then I came out in a whole different car. What do you think?
Let's find out. Let's close you in there.
Wait, let's check it out. Let's see if my wish will come true.
Let's see if it's a time machine. Let's find out. Ciao.
Ciao, bella. What in the...
Blimey, it's a FEMBOT!
Austin Power!
Oh my God, baby!
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, baby! Let's party! A time-traveling FEMBOT, baby! Yeah!
What is going on?
You look smashing, baby. Have you
I
been in there the
know.
whole time?
I have been.
You have, baby.
I heard that you were looking for some wood, so I decided to show up and.
Oh, you've gave it to me already, baby. And those machine gun jubblies, baby. So you've traveled through time to be here with me.
I did. I traveled through time because Austin Powers is famous.
I am.
Famous. And I know you're shagadelic.
Oh, baby, listen. You're shagadelic. I'm shagadelic. Your mojo, my mojo, cross-mojonating. Yes. Tell me, what's your zodiac sign?
Sagittarius.
Oh, my God, we got something in common, baby. I'm slippery when wet.
Oh!
Where are you going, baby?
How could you refuse, Austin? Look at all the room.
It's like a place for an orgy back here.
Austin, come in. There's so much room.
Oh my God, baby, this is absolutely shagtastic. This is a place to have a real party. They've got booze, cigars, everything you need right here, baby.
You think this will be your new shag wagon?
Right up here, baby, yeah. Oh, this is perfect.
Oh, look at all the room.
This would be perfect for a drive-in movie, baby.
Oh,
yeah. My God, baby, this is amazing, baby.
I know.
Should we shag now or shag later?
How about both?
Oh, yeah, baby. My kind of woman. Yes. I'm already sweating.
Me too, Austin.
Lots of room in here.
Very groovy, baby. There's so much room in this car. We could probably get 2 or 3 other couples.
Oh,
You know
let's
what I
do
mean?
it.
Oh, yes,
Let's do
baby.
it.
Let's do it. Who should we call, baby?
I don't know. I'm new in your time.
Oh, that's
I'm
right.
new in your time. So who do we have?
I don't know, but it's the swinging 60s, so things are a little different. You can do anything you want, and there's no consequences, baby.
What?
No consequences?
No consequences.
Oh, crap.
Yes, we can do anything at all. What shall we do, baby?
Oh, first things first.
Yes. Do we look too anxious?
God damn it. Teach me how to do that, because I want to be shagadelic too.
Okay, so you know that thing hanging back down at the back of your throat?
Yeah.
Yeah. That thing is like a tonsil. You just blow some air about. You know how to blow, right? Yes.
Too many times.
I hear
Open your mouth wide.
I
Open your
hear
mouth
I'm
wide.
very good.
Tilt your head back. Let me see. Oh, you're losing your hair. The time travel has loosened the hair follicles.
Okay, hold on, wait, ready? Let me hold on
Yeah.
to my hair. Okay.
Yeah, you have it. It's that thing hanging down.
How do you blow air past
is
it? But you lift your tongue up.
Yeah, you're right. I guess I do.
I think it's gonna take some practice.
It's practice, baby. Practice makes perfect, baby. But we're gonna do it. First of all, just give me a yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Give me a oh, behave.
Oh, behave.
Oh, you've got it, baby. I think that will come very soon, baby. Yeah. I have to step out.
Oh my gosh. I'm so glad to be working with somebody who understands.
Oh my God. Where's that little fan? Got it?
So now that I've mysteriously time traveled back in time and I'm with this 1962 Phantom Rolls-Royce, there are so many similarities to the other one. Check this out. Look at all the wood paneling. Look at the knobs, the handles, everything. Look at the room. In my opinion, you just can't beat it. Hey, Austin, why don't you check it out?
Oh, I would love to, baby. I love a classic Rolls-Royce. Oh, my God, baby. This is incredible. This store is amazing. You know what? I was just thinking, if you join me in here, I think we could do a little rocking. And you know what they say? If this Rolls is rocking, don't bother knocking, baby. Yeah. Come on in here, baby. Yeah. Oh, smashing, baby.
Make it rock. Make it rock.
Yes. Yeah. This car weighs a metric ton. We're not making this thing rock. You'll have to fake rock it behind us.
Hold on. I could do the rose thing.
Right. The heat. That won't take long in this car.
Okay. Now we're gonna get up.
Oh my God.
I think I'm going to stay in this time.
Oh my God. She shagged me rotten.
I think I got to sit down. My wig just fell off. So now I'm in the back of a 1962 Phantom, and although right away you can see crazy differences, there are so many similarities. They really did bring back a lot of the old world to new world design. Now, I personally, this is like a dream to me. I love this. To be able to sit in the back seat, it completely extend your legs, stretch out. Amazing.
I mean, look at the wood, like on the doors. Similar, right? You see that?
Absolutely. Look at my little light back here.
Yep. I mean, look at the seats, like the big seat, comfortable. Look at the dash in the front. Look at that. How similar is that to the new dash?
Yeah,
Even
exactly.
even down to the gear shift.
Exactly.
Right? Even down to the steering wheel, how thin it is.
I like that. I know a lot of people don't like that, but I really have a thing for the
thin
really
steering
skinny, the steering wheels and the shifter.
Yes.
I love the skinny shifters. I don't know.
I like the shifter on the column too. But yeah, the thin stick. But look at how much leg room you have back here.
This is amazing.
Right?
And in fact, look, when I was getting in, right, I could actually, I'm standing like this. So if I stand all the way up as far as I can, I'm actually more than a 90-degree angle.
Yep.
Or less than a 90-degree. There's so much space in here. There's so much space in here.
You can really shag back here, baby.
Right? Like,
there's a lot
there's so much room.
I mean, oh, look at it. Oh, what are you doing?
Look at this.
What are you doing down there?
There's plenty. I could even get down on my knees. There's that much
Okay,
room.
let's go. You opened that.
I expected that from Austin. Not you.
Okay.
Anyway, can we take a moment and look at the cabinetry here? Because I love this. Hold on.
Open this.
The carpet is just so floofy. Yeah. Look at, wait, hold on. Can you watch this? Watch down here. Ready? Look at that. Look at. Oh my God. It's like a cat. Meow. This is, I mean, fantastic. I don't want to. But, I mean, so you have your footrest here. You have tables here. Okay.
Your liquor cabinet right there.
Liquor cabinet.
It's locked.
This is, oh, it's not
there
locked.
you go.
Yep, look at that. So beautiful. So another super cool thing about this car, look right here, it's down right now, but you have the partition, the divider, and it is not tinted, but it very well could be. Very easily done.
What are you planning on doing back here?
I'm just saying that you could tint this and that there's a lot of room back
What
here.
are you planning on doing?
I'm not planning anything. I'm just saying.
You're just letting everybody know how freaky you are.
I'm not saying anything.
You're just letting everybody know.
I'm just saying that there's a lot of room
you
back
just
here.
let the cat out the bag. Yeah, everybody now knows how freaky you are.
I'm not saying anything.
Yeah.
Just saying
You're
that there's
sitting
a lot
in the back of the Rolls.
A lot of room back here.
Groovy, baby.
What are these? Oh, look, I have switches back here.
Yeah, for your part.
Hey, hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget, follow us everywhere. And Johnny, what's your social media so everybody can follow you?
Oh, yeah, baby. Well, if you're on the Instagram, it's the Johnny D Show. And if you're on YouTube, it's the Johnny D Show. And on Facebook, it's John Di Domenico, comedian, baby. Yeah! Okay. Especially groovy, right on, baby. We're here at Celebrity Cars in swinging Las Vegas, baby. I've never seen so many groovy cars. You know it, baby. They've got everything here. Everything you'd want to see. They've got Rolls-Royces, Maybachs, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, baby. And look at that. They even have a Mustang.